In this video, I'm going to show you how to open images in a Lightbox on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine, step by step. This is a super useful trick if you want visitors to click an image and see a larger version without leaving the page. It can make your site look cleaner, more professional, and easier to browse. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and simple website tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, click Edit in the top left corner. This puts your page into editing mode so you can make changes to the layout and image settings. Next, find the image you want to open in a Lightbox. Click directly on that image. When you do, you should see a floating toolbar appear near the image. This toolbar gives you access to the image settings and design options. On that toolbar, click the pencil icon, which is the Edit option. This opens the image settings window. From here, you'll be able to control how the image behaves on your page. At the top of the settings window, click the Design tab. This is where Squarespace keeps the display and interaction settings for the image. Now scroll down until you see the Lightbox option. You'll notice a toggle switch next to it. Turn Lightbox on. Once this is enabled, clicking the image on your live site will open it in a larger Lightbox view instead of just displaying it normally on the page. After that, click outside the panel to close the settings window. Then go to the top left corner and click Exit, and after that click Save to publish your changes. This step is important because if you don't save, the Lightbox setting won't go live on your website. And that's it. You've now learned how to open images in a Lightbox on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how your images are displayed and how users interact with your site. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Squarespace tutorials, website design tips, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.